can absorb and obtain more sunlight. That's why the movement of them here,
Muy alto.
they're gonna be more avocados they're gonna be in a red color, the new leaves coming out, because with that color.
See the wave?
Right.
See?
They absorb the sunlight.
Say hola.
And that means they're gonna start to grow faster, and they're gonna be getting harder and harder. And that's why most of the movement they're red color. All them red color.
These trees that have the vines wrapped around them, does that eventually kill that tree?
If the vine is a parasite, yes. If the vine is a climbing plant, no.
Oh, okay.
So in this forest, we take all the aerial plants that we have here and we separate them in 4 groups. So we're gonna have one for parasites. Parasites, that means a group of plants that they produce real damage to them, right? Like when they strangulate them, or when they climb the trees and they get a top and don't allow that the tree be taking sunlight, and that's why in that way they become to be parasites.